Good morning, children. Today's subject is maths. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 3, that is addition and subtraction. In last period we have learned the new method of subtraction. Okay, that is problem set 11. In last period we have learned the problem set 11. Okay, and I gave the some extra example as a homework. I think everyone have completed the problem set 11 and homework examples. So today we are going to start the problem set 12. Okay, that is word problem. So let's start the first one. So see everyone, what is the first question? Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. Okay. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Okay. When word problem questions are there, what we have to do? We want to read the same question 2 times. Then and then only it will understand. Okay, so again one time I am going to read the question. Everyone listen it properly. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop. Okay, Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop. What is the cost for laptop? 27,450 rupees. That is the amount for laptop. But he has how many rupees he has? Prathamesh has how many rupees? 22,975 rupees he has. Then what is the question? What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Means the amount of laptop is 27,450. Then how many rupees he has? 22,975. Then again how many rupees he need to buy a laptop? That is the question. Understood everyone what is the question? Yes. So which operation we have to do? What we have to find? Again how much amount still he need? Okay. So need is there. So here which operation we have to do here? Subtraction. The cost of amount of laptop is 27,450, but he has less amount. Yes, he has less amount as compared to amount of laptop. So again some amount he required. Then how much amount he required, that we have to find. So here we have to do the subtraction. So let's see how to solve the subtraction. So when you are solving the word problem, you have to write the given thing. Okay, that is amount required for laptop, how much, the given amount you have to write, and how much amount that Prathamesh has, that also. Now for subtraction, here I make the column and here I wrote the numbers also. Bigger number you have to write it in upper side, and then next one. So amount required is here and Prathamesh how much amount he has. So that is. So let's start the subtraction with a new method. Okay, with new method you have to solve. Now is it 0 minus 5 is possible? Is it 0 minus 5? 0 minus 5 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 7. So this 0 convert into 10. 0 convert into 10. Now 10 minus 5. Everyone, so do the 10 finger and subtract from that 5 finger. So how many fingers remain? 5 only. So here I am writing the answer 5. Now after borrowing, what is the step? We have to return the number. We have to return that borrowing number. So here I return the 1. So this number we have to add in that. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Now is it 5 minus 8 is possible? No. So again we have to borrow from 9. So this 5 convert into 15. 5 convert into 15. Now 15 minus 8 we have to do. 15 minus 8. So 8 keep in your mind, and after 8 count up to 15. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers? Yes, 7. So what is the answer is 7 here. So after borrowing, next step what? Return it. Okay. So now 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 4 minus 10. Is it 4 minus 10 is possible? Is it 4 minus 10 is possible? No. So borrow from 2. So this 4 convert into 14. Now 14 minus 10. 10 keep in your mind and count the finger up to 14. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers? 4. So how many remain? 4. So after borrowing again return it. After borrowing again return it. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 7 minus 3. 7. Do your 7 fingers and 7 minus 3. How many remain? 4. Okay. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So again, how much amount required for Prathamesh? So 4,475 rupees. Understood everyone? So you have to write the answer in word form only. So Prathamesh needs rupees 4,475 to buy the laptop. Understood everyone? So let's see the second one. Now let's see the second example. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. Then how many more scooters did he produce in the previous year? See, in the last year how many scooter that company produced? 44,730. Then this year how many? 43,150. In which year he produced more? In last year. Okay, as compared to this year. Then what is the question? How many more scooters did they produced in the previous year? Means in last year how many more scooters they produced. So yes, is it you understood the question? See again one time I am going to read the question. A company produced 44,730 scooter in the certain year. Okay, means in last year. So 44,730 scooters produced by that company. Now in the next year, means this year, how many? 43,150. Is it less or more? Yes, less only as compared to last year. This year they produced a less number of scooters. Then what is the question? How many more scooters they produced in last year? Means in last year how many more scooters they produced, that we have to find. Understood everyone questions? So how to find the answer? Yes, for finding the how many more scooters, we have to do here subtractions. Okay, we have to do here subtraction. So let's see how to find the answer. So let's see how to solve the second one. So scooter produced in first year and scooter produced in second year. Okay, that is last year and this year. So but here I wrote, for your better understanding, here I wrote first year and second year. So now in first year they produced more scooter as compared to second year. Then how many more scooter they produced in first year, that we have to find. So here we have to do the subtraction. For that here I make the column and I wrote the numbers also. Now start the subtraction from unit place. 0 minus 0 is 0. Is it 3 minus 5 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 1. So this 3 convert into 13. Now 13 minus 5. So 5 keep in your mind and after 5 count the finger up to 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So again after borrowing again return them. So now 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So how many more scooters they produced in first year? 1,580 scooters they produced. They produced more as compared to second year. Understood everyone? Okay. Therefore the company produced 1,580 more scooters in the previous year. Understood everyone? Okay, so let's see now third example.